Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 Chuvash videos of 2024. Whether you're studying Chuvash or exploring unique cultures, this is a perfect opportunity to dive into a part of the world that's not always easy to find. While we had a standout moment with Miss Chuvashia making it into the top 12 at Miss Universe, let's be real, most of the time Chuvashia is in a parallel universe. We're glad you found us. We've selected a variety of genres and hidden gems for you. The links to the channels and videos are in the description. First up, we've got something truly unique. Kajar featuring Evil Son, a pop rock chicken joke song. Cool sound, quirky vibe, definitely a gem, and somehow completely ignored with just 60 views. In the hidden corners of YouTube, there are fascinating, quirky and fun creations, like this rock song by Vitaly Lavrin. Each year we feature unique creations as honorable mentions. This time it's Oleg Samana's Eccentric Shaman song. As always, our list features meticulously produced, independent music videos that didn't get the recognition they deserved. A launch by popular publishers could make all the difference. Well, we only have Verma as an honorable mention this time. Nowadays you can listen to homilies on YouTube. The editions come from Archpriest Maxim Petrov. The biggest song of 2023, I Am Chuvashia, went viral, uniting generations as it was even covered by teenagers in schools. Here's a video of a school performance by aspiring artist Darya C. A compilation of readings by different individuals of the poem Narspi adds variety to our list. Unlike the usual concert footage in the top 10, Polina Borisova and Warren Phil released a music video with sets and creativity, but it didn't gain traction. In terms of variety, a talk show by channel Herzam Girls stands out, having been viewed by nearly 2,000 viewers.
Я в цього маю підділах іншого дардашн ділана. Чахта зіркурмастер. Так, це
да. Буршинда, чималдана хинела хинжек дардашн был шреде, вренреде.
Having a Chuvash song by an artist on a major label is a significant event, and music lovers will surely appreciate the beautiful track by Gurudev, who traveled to Chuvashia to record it. The record is available on the label's channel, along with 2 behind-the-scenes videos. However, the beautiful official music video in the collaborators' Yasna channel was pulled back from YouTube. The music video Hollow Drumming by Estonian band Tarai was appreciated by music lovers but didn't resonate with the general audience in Chuvashia. Diva Ethno-Future Sound presented their new album with high-quality live performances in Moscow. In terms of retracted or withdrawn videos, another was taken down due to copyright issues with the song despite its unique Chuvash cover, excellent videography and original content. Only a 360p version is now available on an anonymous channel. A wedding footage narrowly missed making it into the top 10. In this clip, the two Garminists perform a folk song that the entire crowd joyfully sings along. Now to the actual top 10. An incredible rendition of a Chuvash folk song in both Chuvash and Tatar secured 10th place for Farida. Another wedding with fervent Garminists, beautiful young couple and quirky vlogging reached number 9 with 30,000 views, featured on Konstantin Dobrohodov's channel.
Катя кунда аржа буштарна, хонья болжы неприданные дешіндена урыслаганзасын аржи немеші жылдырынға Катя? Тоғырынзағы жыл вадазан нен аржи, оча гаржына, паян, туйба бірле хрейлізіган жүхне аржине дилзіға шахыртха.
At number 8, we have the longest video in the top list, a 2-hour celebration of artist Olesya Yakovleva, featuring her introduction and a concert.
Таван халық чүнне илемле юрызембе бірле кашни жин пурнышне юратуба, телейбе, ырыба толдарас келет. Хаман бурнышра пірчінліға лайығынланза елдім. Перен халық юры илемне, таранлықне, чунлықне, сабырлықне, чун черебе дуять. Хыйын пархадарлы күнжуне.
Another top video from Sergei Smirnov features popular artist Alexei Moskovsky's live video.
Залифрамаян ташлар, ташлает щу изир, ташла, хай, ташла. Поем чу-ча-ча, ташлает щу, то, ташлает ча, то, ташлает чу-ча-ча. С праздником!
Alyssa Sopranova's cover of a Chuvash hit song garnered 60,000 views. Through her music, she introduces her audience to the diverse cultures of different peoples. According to other media observers, Denis Pavlov is the most streamed male artist of 2024. His video performance confirms this, securing number 5 on our list. Sergei Lekharev is new to our top 10 lists, having found success with a music video for his song I Love You in 2024. Number 3, Raimova represents a new generation of Chuvash pop starlets, bringing a wave of refreshing covers of Chuvash classic pop songs. Another huge hit from Denis Pavlov is the duet 100 Carats, like in Diamonds, Not Veggies, sung with Polina Borisova, which takes the number 2 spot. And here's the top of our list this year, a viral hit by Alexei Moskovsky uploaded on the random channel user XYZ. The song is a translated cover of Italo Disco by The Colors, adapted to Chuvash's reality.
Авгаланат перчаран ми тыран эжеши чевали брюнетка темжен пучни тайре Менле язар он йолгулы лейле эпка малдулы Эп туяда без печень Очта булдан халичень Менжен эп курман сана унчень Хвятна манагала Хыттын ыдала День задап килечи дичень Йолгул зада саван зашлей Бирен диджей.
Chuvash language content is not easily discoverable on YouTube, especially when it comes to truly individual creators. With the slowing down of channels and viewers walking away from YouTube in Russia, activity in the Chuvash language space has also declined. However, we still have a dedicated group of talented creators who continue to push boundaries, offering fresh perspectives and unique voices. Let's continue to support these creators and keep the Chuvash language alive in the digital world.